Good morning. Today, I'm sharing a glimpse of a simple, peaceful morning routine with two essentials, plants and coffee. Each morning begins with a few moments of plant care. Checking the soil and watering. Ensure that plants are thriving creates a calm start of the day. Make sure they get the right amount of sunlight. That helps them grow strong and healthy. It's a little ritual that keeps me connected to nature. Now it's time for a cup of coffee. I love the ritual of sitting down with Perky Dove coffee and enjoying the warmth and taking a quiet moment. A few minutes of journaling or planning the day keeps me grounded and focused. It's a perfect way to ease into the day. That's my morning routine. Simple, refreshing, and full of calm. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more relaxing content at www.perkydove.com.